Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your video quality like Topaz. First of all, thanks for 5K subscribers. So, let's get started. Firstly, open your CapCut and import your video. Then, go to Adjust and choose Sharpen at 30. Then, export it at 60 frames per second. After that, open your WinKit or any video enhancer application you have. Then choose AI Restoration, import your video, and then click on AI. Choose Quality Restoration and 4K quality. Then wait for processing. See the results. Before and after. Then go to a light motion, add your video, and apply your color correction. And here you're done. See the before and after results. That's it. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any queries, feel free to ask me in comment section.